Welcome to my daily life. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my result for the strategy. That best forex strategy, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. Don't miss out. Make sure you watch the full video. So I'm actually looking for the watch, nice watch, and I say. Actually chilling right here with my boy, fiance. So just want to refresh my mind, and I say,
this is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want.
yeah, we out here, man. The jungle, as you can see, we're out here in the jungle, just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Just don't know what to do, man. Don't know what to do right now, man. Don't know what to do right now. Nothing at all. Just out here, man. The street. Look everyone around. It's actually 2 a.m., man. I'm chilling right here. Come chill with me. What? Look everyone around. Nobody else. Only me. Shit.
What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Juba Snipe. I'm back, guys, to show you the result from the strategy we just, the strategy I just gave you guys in a previous video. So as you can see, the trades that I took after we punched the strategy in the phone, this is the result, right? So as you can see here, the first trade we took was AUD NSD and Euro USD. We bought Euro USD and GBP CAD and NSD JPY. So if you're new to the channel, you already know how we do it. Make sure you stay subscribed on this channel because guys, I always drop something more important when it comes to trading. I've been in the game for 80 years, guys, so I've been facing different challenges, which you don't wanna experience all this. So I'm trying to make shortcut for you, to give you some shortcuts so that you and your journey, it might be easy. So as you can see here, guys, we have GBP CAD. First of all, guys, I'm using mobile strategy. Also remember that I'm using support and resistance strategy, right? So one thing you guys need to understand is that even though you are using mobile strategy, don't just rely on just mobile strategy, okay? Even if you are using support and resistance, you also need this kind of strategy, this kind of mobile strategy as well. So the reason why I'm saying that is if you are using this strategy right here, okay, make sure don't just rely on the mobile strategy. You also need to read the chart, okay? As you can see, even if you can just use the chart, you can see that the market, it's been up to this point right here, gave us some drop, after that gave us pullback, you understand? And you can see that we got some zone around here, all right? And then after that, after the market hit the zone right here, it gave us some drop, okay? And after the drop, we can see that the market continued and break the zone we have right here, okay? The zone right here. And you can see now the market has been around this area right here. Now we got to pull back, okay? Pull back. So which means the market, it might be coming all the way to this point right here, okay? And then after that, the market is gonna give us some drop as well. So the reason why I'm showing this is that I'm trying to teach you everything in one. You need to understand the movement of the market, because if you don't understand anything at all, you just rely on a mobile strategy, sometimes you're going to take the trade which is not ready to be taken. Okay, but of course, when you see the the strategy, when the strategy says that has reached this level 90 right here, you need to understand that the market is going to drop all the way to this point over here. But at the same time, when you see the market is already around this area right here, you have to pay attention, you know, on the chart. You know, you need to look around the candlesticks, this kind of candlesticks. You need to see what the market is telling you. All right, do you have any confirmation candlestick that allows you to enter the market around this area? Of course, the market, let's say, is already reached level 90 right here, but also pay the attention on main chart, which is on the screen right here. If you don't have any entry, like any sign of signal that is telling you like, yo, this is kind of candlesticks confirmations that is gonna allow you to enter the market, then don't enter it. Now you can see we have this kind of, you know, candlestick. You can never enter with this kind of candlestick. Maybe the market might be still gonna come over here around this area. So, you know, in a market, once you make a small mistake, the market is gonna take you out and it's still gonna go back to your favor. So you need to always make sure before you enter, you understand everything which you're doing. Okay, so after that, I've been explaining about a USD. After that, we got a Euro USD. I'm gonna show you a Euro USD, what has been created. You can see the reason why I bought this one is because, look, it's already around this area right here. Okay, it's already here. This is the reason why I bought this trade. You can see that the market already reached this area right here, which this is a strong buy. Okay, guys, you can even use this strategy to find the opportunities. The reason why I said that, even if you are using even if you are using like a trendline strategy or in all other strategies, you do need this kind of strategy. It can also still help you to to find the markets which you need to focus on. When I see any market that is already here around this area, then after that I jump into the chart, you know, to pay attention on same trade on the chart. Okay, which is helping me easy to understand which kind of market I have to pay attention at. You understand? So that's how it is. So if you coming this far, make sure please subscribe to the channel and just like the video, man. Like the video, you know, for your boy. So I hope you understand the reason why I bought this one. So you can see still negative, no profit, nothing, but we still hope. Because it haven't hit the stop loss yet. Remember, guys, I don't scalp the market. Okay, when we comes to the trade, I always make sure I give it 30 pips to 35 pips to just to give them the loom. You know, you need to give the loom enough room for the market to breathe, you know, because sometimes you're going to lose the market because you tightened the stop loss. Imagine you taking the trade. Let me show you guys. You're taking the trade, okay, and then you give it like 5 pips. You know, the stop loss, you know, you don't put the stop loss where you feel like, but you have to put the stop loss where the stop loss supposed to be. Do you understand? So now let's take a look what we have else. What else should I explain? Okay, GBP CAD I already explained to you guys the reason why I took it, and I'm gonna explain to you NSDJPY. I took NSDJPY. Okay, I took NSDJPY. I think now I need to shift the stop loss because NSDJPY, the stop loss was down here. Now I need to shift the stop loss around this area right here inside the profit because it's already reached the TP1. Now we are having a pullback, so I want to make sure I protect the profit with 93.50. Yeah, 93.50. And then after that I'm gonna explain you guys the reason why I took it 350. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this and paste to the all trades. See, so let me do that later on because I don't want to waste your time. The market is still very far away. So okay guys, now you can see that I already shift the stop loss inside the profit, which you don't want to miss this. You need to make sure you do this as soon as you enter enough profit. Lock some of your profit. Okay, so I don't scalp the market, guys. I always make sure I took the market which is gonna have a long way to go. Yeah, which is how I always win. So this entry, guys, this one was a snipe entry. The reason why I get into this trade, I want to explain to you now. All right, I took the trade where the trade was around this area right here. This is why I took it from here. The reason why I took this trade is that I had some zone around here. Okay, which means the market has been touching that zone for so many times. It gave me the first touch and gave me the second touch, first touch and gave me the second touch. Okay, was over here, as you can see over here, and this one right here was like a 40 touch, and then after 40 touch I saw some breakout type shit right here, and then I entered with the breakout. Guys, I love it when it comes to breakouts, bro. I love the breakouts. So guys, make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on my description below. Join free Telegram group. All the trade that I take, I always share them with my team. Don't miss out. Any type of trade that you see right here, I did share it in my free Telegram group just to show each and everyone which trade I'm focusing at, which is gonna help you to be, to be connected with me. Any trade that I'm about to take, I always make sure first I share with you guys, and then which you don't want to miss that experience. So yeah, man, that's how we got these trades. As you can see, we're still getting some loss from Euro USD, but as you can see, the profit is more than the loss, which is good. So man, yeah, make sure do the right things. Make sure sign up with the broker that I use, which is the best one. The link is on my description below as well. Make sure you join free Telegram group. Let's go. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as FXJubaSnipe. Let's make this money, baby. Peace out.
Guys, this video right here is for my Instagram followers, right? So you guys, when I post something, you guys think like I'm joking, right? So I posted yesterday that GBP is about to drop. So make sure keep your eye on it. You know what I'm saying? I saw your comments, guys. You guys were thinking maybe I'm playing, maybe I'm joking. So here it is, as you can see, as I showed you guys yesterday. So to whoever who took me serious, I'm sure by now already changed his life. By how many pips? Let me show you. Dropped how many pips. It dropped something about, you see, something about 400 pips. If you don't say so, make sure make sure go follow me on YouTube. Make sure go follow me on YouTube as FX Juba Vlog. Make sure go follow me for more tips. As you can see, guys, I'm dropping like more tips for you guys. You're gonna make money by having a good information. If you don't have good information, you won't be able to make money. As you can see, messages are popping. So if you don't have good information, you won't be able to make money. So that's why, guys, I'm giving you my information for free on Instagram on how I analyze the market. As you can see here, everything. This is how I analyze the market. As you can see, if I say by using trendline strategy. So make sure go follow me on YouTube so that you won't miss any of my updates. Peace out, guys. Also, check my Telegram channel.
At some point in life, you will lose your balance and fall for the first time. Get back up and try again.
At some point in life, you will fall for the second time. Get back up and try again.
At some point in life, you will fall for the third time, fall for the fourth time. Get back up and try again.
Falling one time is not a failure. It's the start of your journey. The pain of failing is temporary. It will not last. No matter how many times you get knocked down, you get up again. Get knocked down for the fifth time. Get back up and try again. There are no quick fixes in life.